everyone, welcome back to the Storytime family. How are you today? Have you been good and staying safe and spending lots of quality time with your loved ones? Aren't we all so lucky? We should be very grateful. Today we have Rhyme Crime by John Bergerman. Get your copy via the links in our description below. Now let's check it out. Rhyme Crime. Once upon a time, a thief committed a crime. Everything he stole was replaced with a rhyme. Hammy's brand new hat was swapped for a cat. Meow. Gumpop's lovely head became a slice of bread. Oh, crumbs. Arnie's comfy chair was switched for a bear. Yikes. Toodle's loyal dog was taken for a log. Bark, bark. Moo Moo's fancy clogs were swapped for some frogs. We're slippy, not slippers. Gertie's pretty house was now a giant mouse. Do you have some cheese? Eep. Marlowe's happy smile became a crocodile. Dingle's mighty sneeze, achoo, was swapped for stinky cheese. Cheese? Ooh. Blue's gummy cake was taken for a snake. Sleepy Boomer's brain was switched for a train. Toot toot. The thief took Tumble's orange and swapped it with a splorange, smorange, morange, florange, warange, gorange, or zorange, borange, dorange, porange. There's the thief. Is this the end of this tale? The thief was taken to jail. What terrible luck. I'm truly stuck. But by the very next day, the thief had run away. How did he escape? The end. How did you like Rhyme Crime? It was pretty fun, right? If you enjoyed this video, we would appreciate a like, and do subscribe if you haven't, and click on the bell so you'll be notified when we have new stories. We would also love to hear from you, so leave us a comment, say hi. You take care now of yourself and your family, read lots of books, be good, and we'll see you back here soon. Bye-bye.